Meaning of independent variable.
Independent variable.
Independent variable.
Independent variable.
Independent variable. An independent variable is a variable in an experiment or study that is systematically manipulated or varied by the researcher to determine its effect on a dependent variable. The independent variable is not impacted by other variables and its value does not change based on the value of another variable. It is also referred to as the predictor variable. The dependent variable, on the other hand, is affected by the independent variable and its value changes according to the value of the independent variable. Understanding the relationship between independent and dependent variables is crucial in the design and interpretation of experiments in various fields of research.